Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I'm working with a SVG file that our friend Buzzinwith V had created, and there's several people that are trying to cut it with the Cricut. Now guys, I'm not a Cricut professional, but her tutorial, her SVG is very easy to work with a Cricut. So I have a screen recording of how I downloaded her file and upload it into Cricut. So that will come in the next clip, but for now I can just share with you how it looks. It cut out real easy, guys. I didn't do anything special to her file. All I did was I went in and took out all the words that she had her description, the name of the file, and who created it, her name. So I removed it because on the Cricut it comes up as a cut file. So you could do the same. You could just select it with your fingers or whatever, highlight it, and then click on the little X and it'll delete it from the cut file. Now she shares two versions of her reindeer bow like this. I only cut the first one, which has the attached antlers to the bow. So you can see here, you can see on here, the tops is the two on the top is the set with the attached antler to the bow. That is the file, or that is the cut that I selected. Now the two on the bottom, those two go together, and those two are, the antlers are separated from the bow. You can see right there. So there's more pieces for you to work with. I didn't use that. You can use it. I choose not to. The quicker the better. So I sent it through and I sized it to whatever size I wanted it. And since I was working with scraps, I just sized it to about an inch and a half by almost 3 inches, so 2 3/4 inches. And when you size these, because they work together, you want to select both of the cut pieces so that they remain you know, sized together. And you just use your little drag arrow to make it bigger or smaller, as big and as small as you want. For this one, I'm not going to use it, but this is the one I worked with. And since I was using scraps, I just put it all the same color. You could do different colors and then feed it through your Cricut separate times. I just put it together, and I had two pieces on my cutting mat, and that's how I got it cut at once, all at once. Okay, now these are not attached, and V shows you how to assemble the bow. I'll try to link her video in the description box, and you guys could just go there and follow her tutorial. But this is what came out, guys, and it's super easy. So I hope this helped with the Cricut users using her SVG. It's so easy. Just follow the prompts, and I think I'll do a voiceover as to how what I'm doing on my screen, because it's recorded with no sound. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you give it a try, and please don't forget to tag V in your video or your Instagram if you do use her cut file. That's all she wants. She just wants to see how it all turned out for you all. So thanks again for watching. Bye. Okay guys, so here I am on YouTube on my cell phone, and I'm looking for V's video, and she shares the link to go to her file, and there it is in the drop down description box. And I'm just going to open it with my Safari, and the file opens, and it asks you to, well, there's a little indicator there if you want to download, and that's what I did. I clicked on that little arrow down. Here I'm going to open with a file on my cell phone, and it's just the files option right there. I'm just going to save it to my downloads within that file. And since I've already done this, this is the second time I'm doing this, I just went ahead and replaced it because it's the same exact file. And now I'm going back to the main screen on my cell phone, and there's the file folder in my phone. And I'll show you, scroll through in here, and you'll see that the download is there, Reindeer Bow. That is Vee'S cut file. It's an SVG. All right, so now we just go back to the main screen. I'm opening up the Cricut design space. I'm going to select a new project. And now we're going to upload from our files. And there it is, the cut file from Buzzinwith Vee'S folder. Now the next option, I'm going to go ahead and just show you what the file will look like on the design space. What I did, the only modification I did was I removed the words because it comes up as a cut. So I just went ahead and deleted it because I did save this file as Buzzinwith Vee'S Reindeer Bow SVG. So there it is. Oh, there, Vee'S Reindeer Bow. That's how I saved it. And then since I've already done this before or once, I'm just going to go and replace this. And it'll clear it. This is the already modified file that I had saved the first time around because I'm doing this twice. Now I'm showing you what your cutting mats will look like. If you don't do anything else, it'll give you 4 different colored mats so that you can use 4 different colored patterns. And then, so I'm just scrolling back through the cutting mats. So the one thing I will do here is each color, I will group it, and then on the bottom you'll see the option to attach, and I'll just attach each color to itself so it's one group. All right, so here's a time lapse. I'm just resizing the bows, and as I do, see I have them together. There's a set of 2. I make sure that I'm sizing them at the same time. And then here's just the Cricut doing its thing, cutting out the bows. I hope that helped, guys. If anything, you could go ahead and, shoot me a question in the comments down below. And I will link Vee's original video, how to assemble her bows. Thanks for watching. Buzzinwith Vee, guys. This is her reindeer bow. Go check it out on YouTube. I'm working on a video explaining how I added this to my Cricut design space. So go check her out. Buzzinwith Vee, free SVG. Thanks for watching. Bye.